desire now. So how to create the desire? Look at it now. First I will talk about the connecting the desire. Once you know the art of connecting the desire with yourself, automatically it will be fulfilled. No desire is left incomplete. All desires will be fulfilled. Impossible to us to get the wrong desire, impossible to lose the right desire. That's the way. So here you should learn how to connect. Simply I say to you, to connect the body, there are the three levels. The first is sleeping. Should write down because you may forget that. Connecting means what? Three things. The first is the sleep, second is the dreaming, third is the thinking. This is the connecting. First is the sleeping, second is the dreaming, third is the thinking. This is the connecting. You should connect with yourself with these three things. Sleep is the basic part. It's very easy to connect with ourselves. Master, how can I connect with the sleep? When I am in the sleep, I don't know anything. What will happen, what has happened, and what is going to happen, I don't know anything at all. Na? How can I? I simply say, before entering into the sleep, you should always keep your attention in the heart. Before entering into the sleep, you should always keep your attention in the heart. Master, what will happen? First, health, you will get the health. Second, you will get the peace, relaxation, and a greatest confidence ever born. A great courage and confidence will happen to you. That's why everybody says to me, I am getting fear. I am suffering a lot. Why? Fear comes because you don't know how to connect with yourself. Because of the fear, you are not connecting with yourself. 2 parts here. In reverse, in the same way. But I would like to say only one thing to you. You should learn the heart. Always keep the attention in your heart. That is, just while you are entering into the sleep, just put your mind in the heart. Just feel the heart here. Where is the heart? We keep the tilak here na, between the ribs, in the chest, middle of the chest. We keep it like this is the heart, not this side, left side part. I am not talking about the physical heart. I am talking about the spiritual heart. Here it is. Here is the soul. Just you go on keeping here and sleep. Go on practicing it. One this day, other day, you will get a beautiful sleep. We call that Yoga Nidra. What will happen to you? You will get the Yoga Nidra. What does it mean? Which fulfills the desire. Yoga Nidra means that. Which fulfills the desire is a Yoga Nidra. Just by sleeping, you will get the fulfillment of all desires. Very strange. That's the magic of that. That's why we say that the Vishnumurti went into Yoga Nidra. For what? To rule this world, he went into Yoga Nidra. Very wonder. Politician will go to the assembly or some other places. But here, God goes to the Yoga Nidra immediately. When he would like to rule the world, he go to the Yoga Nidra. That has such a power. If you would like to fulfill all your dreams, the scientific methods, just enter into your heart, then sleep. You will get all the footprints of your life. Second is the dreaming. Connecting is what? Dreaming. Dream about your eye. Daily you should go on dreaming your eyes and body structure basically. How is your ears and eyes, nose, lips and heads and shoulders. The structure of the body, total, every corner of the body. Just close your eyes and dream your body totally. From tie to head to tie. Just watch it, observe it. Don't dream that which is not yet to you. Taj Mahal is so beautiful. Or this heroine is so beautiful. Or this philosopher is so beautiful. Or this poet is so beautiful. The politician is so beautiful. No. Don't think about others. Don't dream about others also. Dream as given for you, not for others. more you dream about yourself, the more you come to yourself. Dream about yourself, about your body. Mind never allow you to dream about your body. Even have got any dream in your life about your very essence of your body? No. Sometimes appear that you are doing with somebody else, something else. It appears, but you never dream alone. I am alone. I am doing I am just living with myself or experiencing myself like that. You never get like that. There's a problem here. That's why I say dream about your body. Just go in front of the mirror, then watch very carefully, then close your eyes, then observe it totally. You will get the beautiful dreams again. Thought is there. That is the thinking. How to think? I simply say, think about your age. How to think? First, before thinking, you should consider three things. First is the age. Age is the first level. Second is the time. Second is the time. Third is the responsibilities. Third is the responsibilities. These are the three levels we have to consider while we are thinking. First, look at the age. What is your age now? Then think about the time. How much time is left to you? Then how much responsibility is there on your shoulder? These are the three levels. Should always take some criteria, age criteria or time criteria or the responsibility criteria, any factor. Age, time, responsibility. Age, time, responsibility. Think according to that. Don't think according to the world or according to somebody else. Think only according to your age and time and responsibility. Then automatically you'll be connected with yourself. This is just a passage, a bridge, that's all. If you really want to connect with yourself, I simply say, please, you should spend with yourself daily half an hour, sitting silently, closing your eyes and watching the body totally. Don't do anything, just sit silently, close your eyes and watch your body from thigh to head and head to